and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Stop! Life-changing information ahead. Imagine that minutes from now you could start using the world's premier Google's Palm 2 and Gemini-powered AI assistant and ChatGPT killer app, fully powered by Google's latest AI technology. It turns any keyword or voice command into top-quality AI-generated content. Content like limitless websites, funnels, blogs, and stores, limitless images, animations, and videos, limitless plagiarism-free SEO content, limitless translations in dozens of language pairs, limitless Google's AI-powered chatbots, limitless code and databases, limitless written content. It also answers all of your questions in 10 seconds flat. It instantly boosts your traffic, leads, and commissions on complete autopilot. Sounds amazing? Because it is. Not using AI in your online business in 2024 is like throwing money away. You've seen the success stories. AI is changing people's lives as we speak, and now is your turn to finally take advantage of it too. But why AI and why now? Well, it produces high-quality content like websites, funnels, SEO content, images, videos, code, translations, and much more. It's 1,000,000 times faster and precise than any human alive. It saves you time and money all day, every day. In other words, start using AI now or stay behind forever. However, AI comes with some problems too. It's expensive, and until today only well-established business owners could use it to its full potential. It can be very expensive, anywhere from $144 to $1,200 per year. But wait, there's a better way. Yes, today you can get access to all the premium AI features without losing your shirt. Introducing Rise AI, world's first and only AI app fully powered by Google's Palm 2 and Gemini that creates unlimited AI content with lifetime usage. Stop worrying about the limitations and monthly payments for ChatGPT once and for all. In 10 seconds you can create and sell stunning AI websites, funnels, images, videos, code, translations, and much more. Freelancers make $1,500 plus per day this way with our built-in traffic source. Check these out, anywhere from $1,500 to $4,500 per gig. Here's an important question for you. Are you happy with how much you're currently earning online, and more importantly, could you earn more? AI is changing people's lives as we speak, and now is your turn to finally take advantage of it too. Minutes from now you could get access to the world's first and only AI app fully powered by Google's Palm 2 and Gemini. It creates, designs, and sells done-for-you AI websites, funnels, images, videos, code, translations, and more with a single keyword or a voice command. A regular person says, so what? But smart marketers like you and I ask, how can I profit from that? We've spent no expense developing it, so you can finally see results with AI without overpaying for it. Yes, we've done all the hard work for you. It's literally a business in a box. You can use a keyword or voice commands. This will instantly create all the AI content you need: websites, images, videos, code, translations, and more. 10 seconds is all it takes. Ready-made done-for-you content in a blink of an eye. Profit big. Use your freshly created content to drive traffic, get leads, generate commissions, or simply sell it to your clients. Say goodbye to worries and frustrations. Now it's your time to win. No more poor quality AI content, no more weird looking AI images, no more unengaging AI videos. No more problems with copyrights, no more freelancers or agencies, no more translators or other experts. This app is all you need to finally start seeing real results while lowering your monthly costs to zero. Rise AI unleashes the power of AI in any niche in just 3 steps. Step 1. Log into the members area, select a done-for-you template, keyword or use a voice command. Step 2. Let Rise AI create content for you in 10 seconds flat. Step 3. Copy, paste and profit. All of this with a few clicks of your mouse and with zero tech experience needed. And the best part, during this initial launch period, you can grab your copy for as low as $17. Pay once, use forever. Here's what you get today with Rise AI. One-click websites, funnels, images, videos, SEO content, code, translations, and more, a free commercial license, a free white label license, video training, no monthly charges, and 8 fast action bonuses. All of this free to use yourself in any niche and also free to sell to your clients. You set the price here. All of this and much more for a silly low one-time fee during the launch period only. Yes, if you will act right now, we will include a free commercial license for a very limited time only. This means you can create limitless done-for-you content for your clients and charge them $1,000 a pop or even monthly. But you need to hurry. This amazing opportunity is available for a low one-time fee for a very limited time. After the initial launch period, we reserve the right to start charging a monthly fee for access to Rise AI, and we will be removing the commercial license. However, if you will join right now, you are still getting the best deal ever. And of course, you are fully protected by our 365 days money-back guarantee. That's right, a full year. Yes, we are putting our money where our mouth is. You can test drive Rise AI, and if you don't like it, we'll send you your money back. What you need to do right now is take action. Hurry if you want to get in for a low one-time fee, plus get a commercial license included for free. So click on the Buy Now button below and we will personally connect with you on the next page.